Hello, students. I hope you all are doing good. So, the topic which we are going to cover in this video is production and the factors of production. So, what is production basically? Production is the creation of utility. It means that the utility of the goods is created, and that process is known as production. Now, there are total four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Now, the first factor of production is land. Land is a wide term. It is a natural factor of production. Any natural resources that is available on, above, and below the surface of earth is called land in economics. Okay, so basically any natural resources which is being produced on the surface of the earth or above or below the surface of earth, that is known as land. Examples are minerals which are found below the surface of earth. This is also a factor of production. Soil, water on the surface of earth, air, sunshine, wind. These are the factors which are found above the surface of earth. So these are basically the natural factors of production. Land earns rent in the production activity. So when you are using these factors of production, land, then you are getting rent in return for using this factor of production. Now the second factor of production is labor. Labor is a human factor of production. Any physical or mental effort undergone during the process of production to earn the reward of wages is called as labor. Example: carpenter, accountant, engineering, etc. Now, labor is a human factor of production. It means any human being who is engaged in any production activity, that person is known as a labor. When labor is doing the work, when he is providing his labor service, in return he is getting wages or salaries as a reward. Example is carpenter, accountant, engineer, etc. The third factor of production is capital. Capital is a produced means for further production. It is a man-made factor of production which earns the reward in the form of interest. Example: machinery, technology, factory, building, etc. Now, capital is a produced means. It means we are producing this factor of production for further production activity. It is a man-made factor. It means human beings are creating this factor of production. When we are using the capital, in return as a reward we are gaining interest for it, for using that capital. Example is machinery, technology, factory building, etc. Our fourth factor of production is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the organizer who is a real captain of the industry. He is a special kind of labor who gets the work done to earn the reward of profit in the process of production. So, entrepreneur is the one who organizes the production activity. He is the one who is the captain of the industry. He is a special kind of labor. Now, entrepreneur is also one kind of labor who is getting profit as a reward for the work done from the labors in the production process. So, entrepreneur is the main captain of the production process. He is the one who initiate the production activity. Then next is distribution. Now, distribution is again an activity. It is the division of factor rewards among the different segments of the society. Factors of production claim their rewards of rent, wages, interest, and profit through the process of distribution. Now, basically, distribution is a process in which the particular rewards are gained by the factor of production. For example, if we are using land for production activity, we are paying the rent for it. If we are using labor, we are giving them the wages or the salaries. If we are using capital, we are giving the interest for using it. And if the entrepreneur is initiating the production activity, then he is gaining profit out of it. So it means distribution is basically the rewards is being equally distributed among the various factors of production. That is known as the distribution process. Then we have exchange. It is give and take between various units in the economy. Exchange refers to sale and purchase of goods and services. An economic exchange is necessarily a monetary transaction. So basically exchange is nothing but give and take between various units in the economy. It is nothing but if we are initiating the production activity, the goods and services is being produced, then it is sold in the market and the consumer are buying the goods and services. So it is a sale and purchase of goods and services, that is known as exchange. Then we have consumption. It is nothing but making use of goods and services to satisfy human wants. After producing the goods and services through the various factors of production, it is being sold out in the market and the consumer are utilizing or using those products or the goods or services. So that activity is known as consumption. Okay, so it is nothing but the making use of goods and services so that the consumer can satisfy his human wants. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this. Thank you.